GraceAnn. My Instagram handle is at gracie.ja. Honestly, my experience with APC was absolutely amazing. Like, I had so much fun. I was super comfortable the whole time. Like, I've honestly never experienced such a comfortable photo session. Like, it was just about experiencing my true beauty. Like, all my emotions that I felt, I was able to bring them out into the pictures, and like, I was smiling the whole time. I felt super comfortable, and that's something for me that I don't really experience often working with other people, but I did, and I'm super grateful for APC. So my experience with APC was absolutely great. Honestly, like, it wasn't just about taking pictures, it was about showing my true beauty. I felt super comfortable throughout the whole thing. Like, honestly, for this being my first time, it was like a 10 out of 10 amazing experience. Like, I felt emotions that I've really never felt before, because, this was just more about like inner beauty coming out to the outside. So yeah, this was super great.